Okay, siyaphuma ke ngosingena ngaphakathi ecrowdini yabo as babe sengitshilo kuni bawufula ugqiba 50 birthday.
We're getting dirty high. Dirty high. Small. I'm small to the wall. Small. Can't see this small. When I want you to your world. Small. Nkosi Mfuleni. Nkosi City of Cape Town. Shout out to you also Mfuleni Radio. Dabulela bahlali, mandu banani. Siselapha bosonke. Sauti 7100 uthi MFU 7100 MFU. Let's go.
The man on the Sunday and the pastor's getting rich. How can I work for 6 to 6? How can I rest? I need this peace. I need $1 million. Working so hard they could put me in $1 billion. I got a gang. Things now that they're saying. Why did they say I'm taking control of the game? I've worked hard, too many lose. Just gang size, now I better choose. Fuck rest, they ain't see my moves. I got big moves, talking big moves. Big moves, big moves. Living my life, a guy see hate and it's fucking pressure. Hate and it's fucking pressure. Living my life, a guy see hate and it's fucking pressure. Hate and it's fucking pressure. Living my life, a car, see hate and it's fucking pressure. Hate and it's fucking pressure.